Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video from Life with Tiffy. As you can see, we're doing another food review video, and this time I'm eating something that's not necessarily new to me. I feel like all of us at some point in life we have eaten from a Chinese restaurant. But what I did, listen, come closer, come. What I did was ordered things I've never ordered off the menu before, because if I'm gonna be honest, sometimes if I'm not able to identify the cuttings of the meat, I'm not always ready to eat it. But I decided this time I'm going out on a limb for you guys. So if you want to see and hear my review of this food, stay tuned. So guys, I got the food from Imperial Dynasty restaurant. So from the sound of things, the food should be tasting imperial, impeccable, off the chain. I got the Chinese crispy chicken, and then I got some, never before have I had beef fried rice. Like I've had chicken fried rice, but never beef fried rice. And I got some ginger beef. This is ginger beef. But when I went to check out, the lady was like, in honor of Chinese New Year, she's giving me a lot of goodies. And she did. So in true Jamaican fashion, hold on, we're gonna eat the food first, and then we're gonna have the feel for something nice after. So we're gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna have to warm these up a bit, so hold on. So this is the beef fried rice. So much, like this can feed a whole family. This is the ginger beef, and I don't think I've ever had fried beef either. And then this is a crispy Chinese chicken. The food is now warm. It's time for the taste test. I also have my water here and some Grace habanero pepper sauce, because just in case you need a little thing to help it up. So, as I said, I have the beef fried rice and I have the crispy chicken. And I feel like I want to try the chicken first. Yes. So, taste this. I'm not gonna lie, chicken I cannot taste like raw. And it's salty. Let's just see if the pepper sauce can bring it back to life. No man, the chicken is very salty, super salty. All right, let's see if beef fried rice can, there are bits and pieces of beef in it. There's beef, I can see egg, green peas or green beans, whatever you call them. Yeah. All right. Yeah, the fried rice. First on tin.我们经常是那些想象 Could you lie? Yeah. The rice of the starter show. gonna try another piece of the chicken. Maybe that part was just a very, very salty part, so let's try another piece. It's salt. It's salt for sure. No man. Chicken never wash off. That chicken needs to wash off. Last spoon, one last spoon. Promise. Finger licking good. Fried rice, 10 out of 10. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna try the ginger beef. As I said, I've never had beef like this. Like literally, look at they fried it and then they put a little sauce over it. So I guess it's supposed to be crispy, but I mean, I did buy this earlier today. I just didn't get a chance to eat it. So, but let's see what the ginger chicken is giving. The ginger beef is giving. I taste the ginger. I taste the ginger, but it's almost like the flour that they use to coat the beef. It's almost like I'm tasting that more than I'm actually tasting beef. I'm not sure how much I'd rate this. The ginger beef, I'd give this a 6 out of 10. Maybe a 5. A 6 is sounding like I like it. I don't really like it. Yeah, so 5 out of 10 for the ginger beef. The fried rice. The fried rice is the star of the show, honestly. Alright, so the food wasn't bad. That's all I got was 2 types of meat and the rice. So on to the snacks. As I said, they gave me a whole ton of Chinese snacks to try in honor of Chinese New Year. Now, if you know what it says, you can tell me, but I don't have a clue what any of these are. It says preserve. Oh, this one I can tell you what it is. It says preserved plum. Can you see it? Preserved plum, prune, conserve. Yes, that's French. This is also a preserved plum. These 3 seem to be the same. And then of course everybody knows fortune cookies. So I feel like I'm gonna start off with the fortune cookie. Let's see what my fortune is saying. Not that I believe in these things, but for the fun of it. Let's see. And I already know how these cookies taste. Oh, I thought I didn't get any fortune because I was gonna go back down there and tell her, nope, I paid for it. Crack. If you've never had these are like, I want to say ice cream cone. So that's what I associate the taste with. This is what the fortune looks like that comes in it. And it says, "Aw, happiness surrounds your events this week." I received that in Jesus' name. Happiness. By the way, guys, remember to subscribe to the channel. That would make me happy. If you subscribe, if you like the video, that would also make me happy. And if you share it with a friend, that would also make me happy. I'm wondering if I'm gonna start with the plum or is what this? I'm gonna start with this thing because I don't know what it is. But it looks funny. You know, it's sesame seeds, I would call this, that come on the on your burger bun. These look like sesame seeds, right? So this thing is smushy, a little sticky. Yeah, it smells like sesame seeds. no. It's gonna be a hard no for me. Hard no. That first one did not sit well with me at all.
What is that? Oh.
This one is putting me in the feeling of like hash brown, but it smells like old shoes. It smells like when your shoes old. I don't know. Look at it. Have you ever had it? Have you ever seen anything like it? It feels it's like carrot. I'm gonna tell you what this is like. You know those caramel popcorns? But a tougher version. I really like this. This 5. This 0. Why do they leave those kind of things? No sir. At this point I don't even know what else to try because nothing is leaving a wow factor on me. They're just all ooh. I'm surprised that I'm not liking any of these. I thought for sure I'd at least like one. Alright. This is putting me in the mind of rice cake. Not a smell. It has no smell at all. I don't know. I don't know. I want to say this is like cheese crunches or cheese Z's or cheese sticks without the cheese, but then they put seasoning salt on it. Yeah, no, this are not it. 4. I'm gonna save this one for last. I'm gonna have one of these plum. Like the heights of disappointment tonight with these snacks. Like I really was looking. This smell like medicine. This smell like it'll make you feel better if you're sick. It look like it's a prune. You see me no? And there's a seed inside. Yeah, no. How are these treats? How do you associate these tastes with sweets? All right. This one, I'm gonna open this because these are the same. I believe this is also a prune, you know. Yeah, it's another prune. Last and maybe least, these two, they're similar. Let's see if they taste different though. So give peace a chance. See, it's the same texture, like rice cake. Yeah, man. These are not the same thing. This is almost like when you buy Ruffles and you can get either sour cream, all season, original barbecue, blah blah blah. The snacks were not impressive. The best thing was all of these snacks was really and truly the fortune cookie. That was the best tasting thing as it relates to the food. Rice, 10 out of 10. That beef fried rice was everything and more. The ginger beef, I think I said 5 out of 10. I'm gonna keep that score. And then the chicken, that chicken needs to go and wash off the Owen River. It is too salty. Like if you have hypertension, high blood pressure, or if you're troubled with whatever, you cannot have that chicken. It is super salty. And I'm not getting any flavor. I'm just getting dry, not even crispy anymore, but just dried salty chicken. And so for me, that's a no. So the rice wins. Everything else I'll never get again. Not even ginger beef, because again, I don't feel like I'm getting a lot of beef. I'm tasting a lot of flour, and I'm tasting like the sauce that they put on it. So the snacks, I would not be snacking on them. They're not giving. They're not snacking the food. So guys, tell me, where else do you want me to try food from? So I've done East Africa. I've now done Chinese. Someone over TikTok told me to try food from Native American cuisine, and someone told me to try something from Trinidad cuisine. So I'm gonna see how I can work on those, but in the meantime, go ahead and drop in the comments where else you want me to try food from. Thank you so much for tuning in again to another video. Remember guys to subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet. Thank you so much for coming along. I appreciate you being over here. Remember to like the video as well and leave a comment. Yes, comment. I cannot say it enough. Leave a comment down below on the video. Guys, until my next upload, bye.